हम लोगों ने 3 घंटे का सॉलिड नींद कर लिया है। अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं कुडले बीच। लेट्स गो। Looks so good, no?
चलो फास्ट।
चलो।
అంటే
long time I'm seeing this.
It's good, very chill. Rider people, no, they will directly take scooty inside the beach, I guess. हाँ, of course. वो रखते हैं ना। वो एकदम Right now we are planning to go to that boat. Let's see. Out of 10, how much excited are you for this?
10 only.
Let's see, it might turn into 20 or 100.
After having given him full power, this is secret of mine.
कहते काल में আমি তো তোমাকে ছেলে ফার্স্টে পালাবো। That much only. The bacha is doing bye. that corner we need to go. Tattoo studio আছে। Today is the day 2 and we are heading towards Yana Caves, and from there we'll go to Jog Falls. So this was our plan initially. It was supposed to happen yesterday, but we couldn't make it, so we covered all the beaches around here. Excited? क्या? টায়ার হ্যাঁ টায়ার করে যাচ্ছে তখন। হেলমেট লুকস গুড মনে। जाते रहो हंसता है। It reminds me of those haunted movies where couples will go alone, then people will come and hunt. But আমরা couples নয়, তো আমরা married couples, so they won't do anything to us. What a view, man. So another impossible view, Monsu, impossible view. See, it looks so beautiful, Mona. We are in a very beautiful location. You can see that behind us, and the vibe is different. You need to be here in person to experience this. It might be a little bit of off area, but the view is super. Anna Mona? যাও
তুমি ফুল কার্ডিও করছো আমি জানি।
কি করব, ভ্যাকেশনে কার্ডিও স্টেপস কমপ্লিট করতে হবে তো নাকি?
তুমি ভ্যাকেশনে কার্ডিও করছো, আমি ভ্যাকেশনে কার্ডিও করছি না। মুখোমো
ये Monsu cave, आगे याना cave. Guys, Yana cave.
This is not the one there.
Oh, this is not the one, sorry.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, wow. Guys, याना caves का छोटा बेटा है। बहन?
बेटा।
हाँ बेटा। Guys, Kannada दोस्तों, translate this for me in the comment section. एक बार stand करो, pose करो इधर. Say no to plastic.
We are only carrying.
No, do like this. Guys, if you hear closely, you can hear birds chirping and some crickets ka आवाज, and somewhere near Nearby we have waterfall. Arey yaar, these people are talking behind. Sorry guys, you can't hear today. Maybe next time. The view is incredible, Mona.
Mara. The Teli Mara.
Once come, once. Guys, I think you can hear the Guys, can you hear the river? I think you can because it is just right behind me right now. Oh. Tired হবে একটু মাংস।
এই वाला আমাকে দেবে আমি হোল করব আমাকে কি করছিস এটা বের হবে তো
No, they should see us from every angle, no? Like both.
No, that is Koku.
Guys, on the way, ये बुलडोजर ने रास्ता को ब्लॉक कर दिया है. We have not yet reached Yana Caves and this is what we are experiencing in the middle of the road. What do you have to say about this bulldozer over here? This clip I will put after putting that one video, then or 10 minutes later I'll put, because I think it is, no, I have to put one eternity later because we are walking, we are not reaching at all. They should have let us come by scooty, no? I would have given them extra 100 rupees. Started. Oh भाई आगे पीछे ग्रुप आ गया, चलो भागो भागो. Don't even know whether this guy went to Yana Caves or not. It's so far, man. आजा मोनो. Finally, we got a glimpse of Yana Caves. Here it is, the so-called Yana Caves. इतना ही है बस. Time to rest in peace. उन्होंने pause मार्चा.
Pause ना रे. वाला अचीवमेंट किया था क्या अब तक?
We finally made it, guys. So first we were there, then we reached here. These two are the ones. This is this one, and this one is that one. The Yana Caves. Right now we look like ghosts. Just see the amount of dirt we have got. Her face and my face. You won't imagine how long it was continuous. We rode continuous for around
3 hours or something.
Around like 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Our face looks so beautiful, man. And in between we were so worried about the petrol because continuously we were riding and there came a place where we had this jungle kind of thing. So there we had no petrol pump. Our indicator was towards the empty side. Our fuel car indicator was on the empty side. These people are scaring me, man. But we got a petrol pump right on time, and here we are standing in front of the Joke Falls. So here's the view. Check it out, guys. Done. Another wish list completed. Not a wish list, like travel list completed. Now we have got Murdeshwar and what was that? Mirjan Fort. Those two will complete tomorrow. That's all done and dusted, and then we'll take our bus, which is at 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and we'll head back towards Bangalore. Jasti aitu. Okay, so that was all for today. We are very tired. We are heading back towards the hotel. This is the same restaurant we came to yesterday morning. The vibe here is completely different at night. I think this is the last spot for today where we will have our dinner, and I think we'll go off to bed because we are very, very tired. Our journey has been
Very easy. That's a very tired.
our journey has been way, way, way more longer than we expected.
Jungle was the.
Especially the jungle. If people are coming to Gokarna anytime, I would suggest that never go to that never go to that jungle. We have covered
60-kilometer jungle only.
yeah, we have covered like more than 60 kilometers jungle, like one way. So it's around 120 kilometers when you go in and come out.
There is
And-
no petrol pump. There is no. We should not stop only.
Especially the experience while coming back. Like there was no light and completely dark jungle.
Big
Like
cars.
no one, like there was not even one person over there. And we have all these banners of wild animal roaming here and there, drive slow.
And very horror kind of sound from the jungle. You heard the sound and all.
If you people are coming to Gokarna, don't go Yana Cave and Joke Falls. Really. And if you're going to Joke Falls, I think the ideal time will be monsoon, because winter mein I think all the glaciers are frozen up and not much water will be coming up from above. So it won't be any point of visiting Joke Falls right now in this season, which is in December or November. June, July would be the ideal time for Joke Falls.
Jog Falls will. What is on now? It's open up to 7 o'clock, which is not there in the.
Anyway, like people won't come that late because they have to return back also, and they're so there's only one way to go to and come back from Joke Falls. Anyway, that was it for the vlog this time. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Sweet dreams. Something?
Sweet.
Yeah,
How
it's
for us?
night, no.
Yeah.
Sweet dreams. Anything else?
No, nothing else.
Okay, she's busy cleaning up. Okay, bye.